So Ryan, do I have to buy my violin an extra plane seat when traveling? Okay. So good question, no? Hindi naman ako frequent flyer, but I've experienced flying with my instrument, no? With big planes, small planes. So based on my experience, you don't need to check in, or do you need a plane ticket for your violin? No, I'm speaking based on my experience na. So pwede ba magbanggit ng mga airlines? Anyway, okay. So sa Philippine Airlines, kasi ewan ko, because siguro group kami na puro musicians, kasi usually we play pag orchestra. Wala naman ako naging problem sa kanila from Manila going to some place, no? Pero naka-experience ako once na pauwi kaming from Cebu to Manila, wherein may mga loose strings ako sa case and they wanted it to be checked in, no? So hand carry ko pa rin yung violin ko, pero yung mga string na hindi pa nagagamit or hindi nakakabit sa violin, pinalipat nila. So ang ginawa namin, since madami kaming may violin ng time na yon, pinadala namin sa sa cymbal bag ng percussion. So inipit namin doon, tapos pina-check in yon. Okay. And then sa iba, so ako naman, smooth naman yung naging experience ko. I think malaking factor yung case na gagamitin mo. Since the violin is a bit small naman talaga, no? Technically, it would fit sa ng carry-on, hand carry-on baggage, no? Pasok naman yung dimensions niya. Kasi I think, don't quote me on this pero 24 inches ba yung haba, parang ganun or something. Basta, so pakita ko sa inyo yung case na ginagamit ko. Pero dati, nagdadala ako yung Bablock na Half Moon. Wala rin naman ako nagiging problema doon, pero super bulky. So far, I traveled with this. Ito yung case na ginagamit ko. This is for my main violin. I traveled with this to smaller planes. Cagayan de Oro, Manila to Cagayan de Oro. Tapos Camiguin, wala rin ako naging problem. Hindi siya pina-check-in sa akin, hindi siya pina-intercept sa akin, hindi siya pinabili ng other plane ticket. So far, wala naman akong na-experience na ganun. We flew Cebu Pacific. Yung iba kasi may mga problems. Depende rin siguro yun sa taong kausap nyo, if they understand how the instrument transport works, no? Kasi syempre, as much as possible, ayaw natin yan na binabalibag, ayaw natin na naiinitan, kasi it's very very fragile. So as much as possible, the smallest na form factor niya na case kung gusto nyo mag-fly with it. And then also, kasi ako may dala pa akong bag nun eh, so dala ko din yung isa kong maliit na bag. Hindi naman siya pina-check-in sa akin. So mahirap sabihin na minsan hit or miss eh. So your mileage may vary depending on the airline, depending on the ground staff. Minsan kasi yung ground staff ang nagde-decide eh. So tamang pakiusap lang, and just be ready just in case na ipa-check-in sa inyo. Pero I don't think they would even allow you to buy a plane seat for it, kasi hindi naman siya ganun kalaki. Hindi din siya oversized load or surfboard or whatever. 'Di ba? It actually fits snug sa sa compartment. So kahit medyo mas mahaba siya, pasok pa rin naman siya. So form factor lang talaga ng case. Buy the smallest case if you wanna travel with your instrument, para lang din sure and para safe. And then also, just in case, make sure na you're traveling na may dala ka sigurong konting bubble wrap sa loob, just in case ipa-check-in sa inyo. So ganun lang. I can't guarantee anything. Di ako nagtatrabaho sa airline and sa airport, no? Magkaiba yun eh, magkaiba. Pero yeah, travel light with your instrument. Make sure na yung laman din niya, no, yung mga essentials lang. Huwag kayong maglalagay ng mga kung ano-anong may batteries, no? Especially yung mga kumare power bank, alam ko bawal yun hand carry talaga. So iwas na lang. So kung ano yung mga kailangan, isang set ng strings or kahit wala na siguro, no, kung may pupuntahan naman kayo, may mabibilan kayo, wag ka na magdala just in case, baka mamaya ipa-check-in sa'yo tapos naka-hand carry ka lang, divide ka pa, diba? So yun lang, siguro kailangan lang maging maging responsible when we're traveling with our instrument, and we have to understand that there are rules that they need to follow also, and lahat naman yan nadadaan sa pakiusapan. So yun lang, good luck.